In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a database to Calendar in Notion. If you use Notion to track tasks, projects, or content, connecting your database to Notion Calendar is a great way to see everything on a timeline and manage it more visually. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what's happening behind the scenes, and share a few tips to make it smooth. Start in Notion by opening the database you want to sync. This can be a table, a board, a list, or any other database view. The view type doesn't matter, the connection works the same way. For the best calendar experience, your database should already have at least one date property, because Notion Calendar uses those dates to place items on your schedule. In the top right corner of the database, click the three dots menu. This is the Database Options menu where you manage views, properties, and integrations. From that menu, choose Manage in Notion Calendar. This action links the database to the Notion Calendar app, so you can see and interact with those entries directly on a calendar. If you don't see this option, make sure your Notion app is up to date and confirm you have permission to manage that database. When you select Manage in Notion Calendar, Notion will open or switch to the Notion Calendar app and display your database there. If the app is already running, it may jump to the foreground. If it's not, you might be prompted to open it. Either way, the goal is the same: your database becomes available inside Notion Calendar. If you need to open Notion Calendar yourself, go ahead and launch it. Once you are in, use a quick command to pull up your database. Press the O key for a fast open, or press Command K on Mac or Control K on Windows. This opens the command palette and makes it easy to find what you need without hunting through menus. In the command box, start typing Show Notion Database. Then select your database from the list. You'll see the items from that database appear in your calendar, based on their date fields. From here, you can view upcoming items by week or month, and your changes will stay in sync with the original database in Notion. If entries aren't appearing, double-check that the database items have valid dates. That's it, your Notion database is now connected and visible in Notion Calendar. Thanks for watching.